Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the battery percentage not showing on your POCO F8 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is enable the battery percentage in the settings. So it's not available on some devices. As you guys can see, it is available on this one. So since we have this option, let's go to the settings and I'll show you where to find it. So you need to scroll a bit down until you see notifications and status bar. Now here you need to scroll down to status bar and you will have the battery indicator right here. So you can select the graphical, you can select the percentage in the icon or percentage outside of the icon, so next to it. This is the setting that you probably had it on since you couldn't see your battery percentage, but here you guys can easily adjust it. So this is how you guys can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.